Hey guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. So now I'm going to tell you how to hold the cube. You have to keep your left thumb on this hole over here and your left 3 fingers back over here. The same way, but you have to do the same thing with your right hand, but you have to put this thumb down over here and put these three fingers over here up. So now you can move any way you want. So yes, but we always have to hold the yellow side up. So that's how we'll hold it, like this. Now I'm going to tell you a few moves. So few moves. This is one move. Right means R clockwise, right clockwise. Whenever I say right, you have to take a look from the right side, and right clockwise will be like this. No, it will be like this. So whenever I say R, it's right clockwise, and when I say R apostrophe, that means right anti-clockwise. It's the same way for all the sides. If I say up, you have to look from up. What's up clockwise? Up, it's like this. So you do that, and this is up anti-clockwise. Left anti-clockwise, because left goes like this, anti-clockwise, and left clockwise. That means L is left, L apostrophe is left anti-clockwise, L is left clockwise. Same thing for down, it's like this, D clockwise, down clockwise is D, and this is D anti-clockwise, D apostrophe. Same thing for back. When I say back, look from back like this, and back B apostrophe. So that's like a few moves. So now I'm going to teach you an algorithm which you will be needing like in the next few steps when we start solving the cube. And this is an algorithm. R, that is R clockwise, R, U up clockwise, U, R apostrophe, that means R anti-clockwise, and U anti-clockwise, R apostrophe, U apostrophe. Same, practice it a few times, and when you repeat this 6 times, you get back to your original position. I repeated it 6 times and I'm back. So that's another algorithm. So let's start with the first step of solving the cube. So the yellow middle will always be opposite to the white middle, and the red center will always be opposite to the orange center, and the green center will always be opposite to the blue center. It doesn't matter how much ever you twist or turn it or do whatever you want, and anything, it doesn't matter. Orange will always be opposite to red, white will always be to yellow, and green will always be to blue. The middles will never change, it's opposite. So now I'll teach you the first step. So now the first step is to hold is to get all the white edges. These are called edges, these are called corners, and this is called a middle. So first step is to get all the white edges like this one around the yellow center. So how will we do that? I'll teach you. You always have to get, when you want to get it to this, get it around the yellow center, you always have to get the edge pieces to the second layer. This is the first layer, second layer, and the third layer. Have to get it to the middle layer, second layer. So we can see this one over here. If we want to get it to the second layer, what will we do? We will turn it once 90 degrees. It doesn't matter which side you turn it. After that, when it is on the second layer, you have to put it either here or here. Over here. It'll be on the left side or right side. So now it is not fitting on the right side, so you have to turn it once left. So now it is fitting on the left side, and you can just push it 90 degrees towards the upper face. Like if it was for example, if it was over here, then you would push it 90 degrees this side towards the upper face. But now it is over here, so 90 degrees this side. So now we have two already. The same thing you have to do it for the down thing also. Down part. You have to take it, get it to the second layer. You have to put it here or here. It's not fitting here. So let's move it once this side. It came over here. And now turn it 90 degrees up once. So now we have to get it over here. We always have, wherever the edge is, we always have to keep the non-edge center, non-edge piece over here near the edge, like this. So when we do that, it will be easier for us. So if it is over here, you just have to turn it once. It's not fitting over here, so make it go over here, and now turn it once 90 degrees up. It's the same thing if it is down. If it is down, then you always have to keep it near the broken edge piece. This is near the broken edge piece, so like this. And now you just turn it 180 degrees. And if it was like this or something, you have to get this broken edge piece near the edge. Like this is now near the edge, this is near this, and turn it 180 degrees. It's very easy. Now a edge has two colors and a corner has three. So the edge's second color, you have to match it with its center. Like this edge is second color is green, and green should be matched with its center. Now we have to find green center. Is it here? No. Is it here? Yes. Now it is matched. Whenever an edge is matched, you turn it 180 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise. It doesn't matter. Whenever if an edge was like this, turn it, get it near its middle, and turn it 180 degrees. Same thing for all. Get it near its middle and turn it 180 degrees. You shouldn't just turn only the middle layer. You have to turn both of these layers and do this. And this is already here, so turn it 180 degrees. When you do that, you will form a white cross, white plus, like this. And now we have to get the white corners. So we have to find the white corners. This corner is over here. We have one. So we can take any corner, this or this or this. But for now we'll take this. Now the corner has three colors, as I told you. So leaving the white color in the corner, you have to get the corner near its two other colors. So this is blue and orange, and right now it is near blue and red. So we have to turn this edge so we can get it near its center, near its both centers. So now it's red and green, orange and blue. No. Turn it once again. Orange and green, orange and blue. No. Once again. Orange and blue, orange and blue. Now when it is in its position, in proper place, remember that algorithm I taught you? You have to do that. It can take up to 5 times, but not more than that. 5 times or less. So when you do that, it comes to its proper place. See, it is at its proper place. You have to do this to the rest of the pieces too. Do the algorithm R U R apostrophe U apostrophe. Sometimes it only takes one try. One try. Sometimes it also takes 5 tries, 3 tries, and it's a random number. And whenever it is on this side, know that it is only going to take one try. Look, it's down. Do the same thing for here. I can see it's over here. Do the same thing. And it doesn't matter if green is near red and red is near green, or this is facing here, this is white is facing this side, white is facing up. It's just that the corner should be in its correct place. So we just have to do the right algorithm, and it's done. And when you do this method, using this method, you will see that the first layer of the cube is solved too. Look, this is solved, this is solved, this is solved, even this is solved. So now the first layer is solved. Similarly, we'll solve the second layer too, and then we'll solve the third layer, and then the upper face, yellow face. Then after that, our cube will be solved. So for this step, you will need to learn another new algorithm, which will be the same as the right algorithm, RU, but you will have to do it with your left hand. It will be like this. Left anticlockwise, left counterclockwise, which is L apostrophe. Up anticlockwise, U apostrophe, L clockwise, and U clockwise. When you do that, okay, that is a algorithm. So practice it a few times. When you're done, you can resume the video. So yeah, now we can see some yellow some edge pieces over here on the top side. So these edge pieces, you will need to take some edge pieces which don't have yellow in them. Like this is green and yellow. It has yellow, so I won't take this. This is yellow and green, white or blue. So I won't take this because it has yellow. Here, does it have yellow? No, it has red and blue. So I can take this piece. Now, what I have to do with this piece, I have to take a look at both of the colors. And I have to take this upper color, this color, and get it look for its center. The upper color is red. Where is its center? Here. So now we don't have to get it near its center. We have to get it opposite from its center. Opposite. Look, the center, red center is over here and our piece is over here. So it's opposite. And now we have to hold the second color in front of us. Now we have to put the piece over here, right? We have to put this piece, remove this piece from here and put it over here. So this row will be solved and this part will also be solved. So for doing that, this we have to put it on the right side, right side. So we will have to do the right algorithm. We have to do it only once, and when you do that, you will see a white corner piece over here. So when you see that white corner piece, first we did right algorithm. So now we will hold that white corner piece in our left hand and do left algorithm like this. Or in simpler words, first you took the blue part, because the blue was the second color over here. So then now you will take the red part to do that. So it maintains a equal algorithm. So now yes, we have to do it with the other pieces as well. So this has yellow, this has yellow, this has yellow, this doesn't. We'll take this. The second color is red. Get it opposite from red. It's opposite from red. The second color is blue. The upper color is red. It's opposite. The second color is green. So I am holding green in front, and now this time we have to put it in the left side. So I will do the left algorithm. I did the left algorithm. I see now. First I did it from the green side. So now I will do it from the red side, because the first color is red, second color is green. I did you always have to do the algorithm where in whichever side the white piece is in. Now it is in the right side, so I will do the right algorithm. When you do that, this piece is solved. The last piece we solved over here. Now we have to do it for the last piece. Where is the last piece? It's over here, because so upper color is orange. We have to get it opposite from orange. This is orange and this is the piece opposite. Second color is green. Upper color is orange, second color is green. I'm holding green. We have to put it on the right side, so I'll do the right algorithm. Now first I did green, so now I'll hold orange. The white piece is on the left side, so I'll do the left algorithm now. So now we have the second row solved. So yes, so there are some special cases like this. When the piece is in its correct position, just reorient it the wrong way. That means the green should be near green and orange should be near orange, but it's the opposite. It's not near its centers. So to solve this special case, we have to do this. So we have to imagine that this piece, instead of here, it is over here. Any piece. Let's take this piece. It's over here. And now this is orange and this is green. So what will we do? We will take green opposite from its center. It is opposite from its center. And take red. We have to put it on the left side. So I will do the left algorithm. And now first I did the left algorithm. Second I'll do the right algorithm while holding in the right hand. So when we do that, the reoriented piece is gone, and this waste piece over here, from here it came over here. So now now we can take the reoriented piece and put it in its place properly. So now I took the green opposite from its center, take the orange, hold it. You have to put it in the left side, do the left algorithm first. First I did it from orange, so now I'll do it from green. And the white piece was over here on the right side, so I did the right algorithm. Now our second layer is solved. So now I'm going to tell you the next step. So the next step is to make a yellow cross. That means the yellow will be in the center and it will have yellow edges around it, not white edges like in the first part of the video. It will have yellow edges around it. So to do that, you can have a lonely center or a L like this, or a line, or a cross already made. If you have a cross already made, you can just skip this step. Okay, but if you have this, so then you will have to keep it on the top left corner over here, this L structure, top left corner. And we don't have to do anything, we just have to, when it is on the top left corner, we have to turn the front face 90 degrees clockwise and do a right algorithm and turn it back. So when you had the L and now you have a line which is better than a L. So when you do the thing what I told you like this, you will get a line when you have a L. Now when you have a line, you have to hold the line horizontal, not vertical like this, horizontal. And you have to do the same thing you did for the L piece. So we do that and turn it back up. Now we have a cross. So this is a special case when you just have the lonely center, you don't have these two pieces. So that special case I'll tell you how to solve. So when you have just the yellow center, you can pick a random side and do the same thing you did for the L and the line. So and that the only yellow center, lonely yellow center comes very rarely. So you don't have to worry about that. But when it comes, you can hold a random piece and just do what we did for the L and for the line. So hold the line horizontal and do this and put it back. So you have to do this, just the thing what we did for both. Now the next step, we just attach the edge yellow edges to its center. So the next step is that I told you that the edges have two colors. So we have to put the yellow edges second color to their centers. So and here you can have two pieces already matched or 4. If you have 4, you can just skip this step, and if you have 2, you should have 2. You can't have 0 or 1 or 3 or something else. You should have 2. So if it does not work, you have to try another combination like this. Here only blue is matched. If we do this, only red is matched. But if we do this now, and if we do this, what is that? Here. So it might take a while for you to find the matched pieces, but it's okay. Here only red is matched, but when you see properly, green is also matched. So I have 2 colors already matched. When you have 2 colors matched, right, you have to these are the two colors matched, this and this. So I have to hold them on the top, this corner, right, but away from me, right corner but away from me. And when you are holding it like that, to match these pieces to like them like this, we have to do this new algorithm. You have to learn this new algorithm. Right R, U, right anticlockwise, U, R, U and U 2 times, and R. When you do this, you will have to try the combination and if you turn it anyhow, all of your sides should match. It should match. Now we have to just solve these pieces, these corner pieces of so the cube will be solved. To do that, we have to learn again a new algorithm which goes like this. So when you want to do this, you should have 0 pieces matched, 0 pieces. We are not going to solve these pieces, we're just going to get them to their correct position. They will be reoriented, but they will be in their correct position, so we can solve them. So right now you should have 0 pieces reoriented, 1 piece or 4. So here let me check. The reoriented means they should be in their correct position, but just not in the correct way. Correct position but not in the correct way. Yeah. So right now I have 0. So I will do this new algorithm. U apostrophe L apostrophe U R apostrophe U apostrophe L. So when you do this, one of your side should match, and if it doesn't match, do it again. It should match in two moves. If it takes 3, that means you've done something wrong. So right now, I have got 1 matched. Look, yellow should be over here, green should be over here, and red should be over here. It's reoriented. So I have 1 piece in my correct position. When you have 1, you have to keep it in this position. It should be near you, but on your right side. And do the same thing. And when you do that, all of your sides should be in their correct position. If it is not, don't worry. You have to do it once more. You can try it 1 time or 2 times. It can be once or twice. So now I have all the sides in their correct position. Like this. This is also in the correct position. Like this. And this doesn't count. This is already done, so you don't have to do that. So in the whole process, we've held the yellow. This is the last stage, last step to solve the cube. So I am pretty excited. Are you? Okay, no problem. So the whole process, we've held the yellow center on the top, but now we will use the white center. We'll keep the white center on the top right now, and we don't have to do anything right over here. We just have to flip the cube and use right algorithm to solve the cube. So what we have to do, we have to keep the reoriented piece over here. We don't have to keep this, or the cube will be spoiled. We have to keep the reoriented piece over here, and these should always be matched. This line, the middle line should always be matched. Okay, So what we have to do, we have to keep a reoriented piece. We can also hold it like this, however you want. You have to hold it, reoriented piece over here, and do the right algorithm. The yellow piece is over here. That means next move it will come over here. And whenever yellow is in its home, and this piece is solved properly, you just have to turn the bottom layer. You don't have to turn the whole cube like this and solve it. You have to just turn the bottom layer and do the same thing what you did for the other piece. So now it is solved. The last piece, I turn it over here, do it, and now your cube is solved. Your cube should be solved.